What's up? What's going on? Back here with Desert Tactical Firearms out here in the desert. You know how I'm doing a little trash shooting. I wanted to give a little update on the Overwatch Precision poly-dat drop-in trigger for your 43X. You know, this was my first video. It was still good. Check it out. You know, shows you a little something on how to get some stuff done. And I took it out to the range, put a few hundred rounds through it, and you know, it got better. It loosened up, and right here we have it. It's getting crazy out here. I wanted to call this channel the Wild West Guns, but that was already taken. It's a little hectic out here. If you can't hear, there's a bunch of people shooting all around. But anyways, on that poly-dat drop-in trigger for your 43X from Overwatch Precision. I'm not sponsored by them. They didn't give this to me. I paid for it. It's 110 bucks plus shipping. They're local, so I got to go pick it up. You know, did a little install video for y'all so you can figure out how to do it yourself. They do it for free if you bring your gun with you or send your gun in, but I prefer to do it myself. That way I can make you guys a little video on it. So I'm going to show you. It did loosen up a little bit, so it's not the same weight as a stock trigger. It's a lot smoother than the stock trigger. And yeah, so we're going to see how it goes. Got your pull. And there you go. Poly-dat drop-in flat face shoe trigger from Overwatch Precision. It's sweet, it's smooth, it's a little under the weight, but it's for everyday carry. You don't need something light. All right, take care, have a good one.